Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you. Aries, please. Oops. Okay. Aries. Meron rabbit. Too much concern with sexual matters. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo may problema when it comes to this matter. Okay, Aries. May concerns or may issues. Or problema. August. The month of August is important to you. May mga memorable na mga mangyayari in the month of August for Aries. Okay? Mga importante na mga events or occasion. Yung iba sa inyo, you are looking for this month of August. Okay? Looking forward. May mga plans kayo in the month of August. Maybe travel, okay? Or vacation. Bird flying. News is on the way. Okay? Meron kayong matatanggap na mga announcement or information or balita. Okay, Aries. Maybe sa buwan ng August. Okay? Door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Yes. May mga doors or pintuan na magbubukas para sa inyo. Okay. For those who are waiting for the opportunities, ito na yon. Okay. Naghahanap ng work. Maybe for some of you, magsa-start na sa buwan ng August. Lily. Spiritual love. Okay. And lobster. Financial pinch. Be aware of that, Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energies or messages for you from the tarot. Aries. Messages and energies for Aries, please. Bilang gabay or guidance for Aries. Aries. Okay, Page of Cups. Okay. Someone is being friendly to you. Okay. May bagong person na papasok sa buhay ninyo. New person. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, they admire you. Okay. Merong admiration. Someone wants a new beginning with you. Okay? Meron bang someone na sinaktan kayo, Aries, emotionally? Okay? A relationship or friendship. They are apologizing, but you know you are not yet ready because you are still hurt. You are healing. Okay? Hindi mo makalimutan yung taong ito na nag-disappoint sa inyo. They hurt you, okay? They want to express their love for you. And hoping na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. Okay? Yeah. Merong disappointments. You know what is right for you, Aries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, there is news about money. good news. Yeah, makaka-receive kayo ng message, text or information, email about money. Okay? An opportunity for you to earn or to receive. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there is someone that will be apologizing. Someone na sinaktan ka or nasaktan ka, they hurt you in the past. Okay? And until now, you are healing. Yeah. Gusto nila magparamdam sa inyo, they are taking actions towards you. Okay? Gusto mag-umpisa uli. They want to be friends with you again or to be in a relationship with you again. Okay? Focus ka ngayon sa inyong goal. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are holding a significant role sa inyong trabaho or sa kumpanya. You are a visionary. May mga plans kayo, most especially sa inyong career, sa inyong trabaho, sa future ninyo, and you have to be focused. Maybe you are also dealing with someone who is a creative person, okay? You have to balance your mental and emotional considerations, okay? Kung meron kayong i-consider, you need to be wise at the same time. Yeah. Someone wants to offer you love. Bakit naging love relationship ito? Yung lumabas na energy sa inyo. This is supposed to be a general guidance, no? General guidance. But there is really someone na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan ng maayos. They want to go back to you. They want to communicate with you and express their apologies or their admiration. Okay? Something like that. Okay. Yeah. Alam mo na mangyayari ito, Aries, okay? You know about the truth about this person. Okay? So, before you decide on something, kung meron kang gagawing action, listen to your intuition, okay? Okay? Consider things carefully before you decide. May mga messages na nagsisend sa may mga messages na sinisend sa iyo. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe you will be sending messages to someone, and before you do that, you have to think carefully. Listen to your intuition, kung anong sinasabi sa inyo, kung anong magandang gawin, okay? Magandang sabihin or maayos, para maging maayos ang situation, okay? Yeah. You just want to be independent, okay? Someone is regretful, okay? Sa ginawa sa inyo, okay? They are hoping na maging okay. Things will be okay between sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. For you, Aries, maraming mga opportunities or possibilities mangyayari sa life mo. You are independent, okay? Okay? May mga kailangan kang pagdesisyonan. Okay? Yeah. You are weighing things on something, maybe about this person. Okay? For some of you, you are dealing with a Libra or Aries at the same time. Okay? Aquarius. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are just letting the situation to play out by itself. Okay? Wala kayong gagawing action. Okay. You are just accepting the current situation. Okay? And you are just embracing it. Kung anong ibibigay sa inyo ng panahon. Yeah. You're not going to make a decision. And it is making someone miserable, okay, or nahihirapan sa kanyang situation. Okay, someone will feel unloved. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong gawin, okay, sa trabaho or sa work, okay? Maybe you are dealing with a boss, tinurn down kayo, that's why you feel bad about the situation, okay? Yeah. You feel na hindi ka binigyan ng chance sa gusto mo or sa plans mo, Aries. You feel hurt about it, okay? Yeah. Okay. Hindi ka binigyan ng pabor. Okay. For some of you, you are not seeing the positive side of the situation, okay? You feel hurt about it. Okay. Things not turning the way you'd hope. Now you will have to make the decision, okay? But it seems na parang wala ka ring magawa. Okay, you're just letting the situation to play out by itself or letting things unfold naturally, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you have fears about money and security and stability. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now, parang sa isip mo, bahala na. Okay? Kung anong mangyayari sa susunod. Okay? You are taking chances. at the same time for some of you. Dahil may mga opportunities din na available for you. Okay? But you're not making a decision. Yeah. So you have to weigh your options. You're thinking about it, but you're not making a decision. You're not taking action. Okay? Kailangan mo ibalik ang confidence at tiwala mo sa sarili, Aries. Okay? Do not be discouraged kung anuman ang nangyari sa inyo. Sa trabaho man to, sa boss mo, okay? Mga plans mo na hindi natuloy. Okay? Yeah. Hindi nangyari yung gusto mong mangyari, okay? Merong disappointment and sadness. Yeah. Okay, that is for some of you. Yeah. Yeah, you feel that you are not supported, Aries. Okay. Okay. But may mga balita na paparating, okay? May mga news or information, delays are over. And then you're going to take chances, but then again, parang nawawalan kayo ng strength, okay? You are not that confident. You feel disappointed in one way or another, and you will have to make a choice. You are weighing your decision. Okay? So, ibalik mo yung tiwala sa sarili, Aries. Be confident, okay? Take actions. Yeah, do not procrastinate. Yeah, let go kung meron ka mga control issues or may gustong mangyari, okay? Be patient. Be strong. Okay. Yeah. Yes, there will be a new direction for you, Aries. Yeah. You will be receiving some breakthroughs, okay? Truth, breakthroughs. You are leaving a situation na hindi na fulfilling para sa inyo, okay? You are moving towards calmer waters. Okay, yung iba sa inyo may biyahe, okay? You are leaving for a trip. Yeah. Negative thoughts, fear-based thoughts, okay? Yeah, you have worries, Aries. Okay? Release that control issues, okay? Let go. And be patient, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages for you from the Spirit Messages Oracle for Aries, please. Aries. Perhaps you are reminded all too often just how quickly the phases in your life can shift, one change after another. You are learning to adapt and grow. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Yeah. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself, Aries. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung messages for you from the angel number? Angel number card for Aries. Number 88. If you keep seeing the number 88, this is the message for you. You are on the cusp of a prosperous and abundant spiritual life. You will find numerous opportunities for success and achievement, all of which bring financial and material abundance into your life. I am wealthy. Yes, you are wealthy, Aries, okay? Be strong. Ibalik mo yung confidence sa sarili mo, okay? Be kind and gentle with yourself, okay? Let go of control issues. Yeah. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!